The importance of plants. Oxygen production. Plants produce oxygen through the process of photosynthesis, which is essential for the survival of most living organisms. Carbon dioxide absorption. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Food source. Plants are a primary food source for humans and animals, providing fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts. Habitat. Plants provide habitat and shelter for a variety of wildlife, supporting biodiversity. Medicinal use. Many plants have medicinal properties and are used to produce pharmaceuticals and herbal remedies. Erosion control. Plant roots help to bind the soil together, preventing soil erosion and maintaining soil health. Water cycle regulation. Plants play a crucial role in the water cycle, helping to maintain groundwater levels and ensuring the availability of fresh water. Aesthetic and recreational value. Plants enhance the beauty of natural landscapes and urban areas, providing spaces for recreation and relaxation. Economic value. Plants are a significant part of the economy, contributing to agriculture, forestry, and horticulture industries. Air purification. Plants help to clean the air by removing pollutants and releasing clean oxygen. Climate regulation. Forests and large plant populations help to regulate the Earth's climate by influencing temperature and precipitation patterns. Nutrient cycling. Plants contribute to nutrient cycling in ecosystems, returning essential nutrients to the soil. Cultural and spiritual significance. Plants hold cultural, spiritual, and symbolic significance in many societies around the world.